my name's Zach. I work here at Farrow as one of the master techs here. And this here is a 22 CVO Street Glide that we custom built. It's got a T-Man 130 with Fuel Moto level 1 heads, 64mm throttle body with 6.3 injectors, and a Cycle-Rama 515 cam. And we paired that with a Jackpot head pipe from Fuel Moto with tab 50 cal slip-ons. This bike dyno tuned out with power vision at 144 horsepower, 154 foot-pounds of torque. It also has the Santero saddlebag guards with a Bad Dad design paint match tour pack with a French inlay rear lighting on it. It also has Öhlins rear shocks with the canisters mounted under the tour pack. Öhlins drop-in front suspension. It's got a Baja design headlight. Probably one of the brightest headlights you can buy on the market. This thing runs amazing. It is one of the fastest bikes I've had to ride here. It is just very quick. This bike is currently available here at Farrow North. You come check it out. If you don't like this one, we can build you any kind of bike you would like that fits your needs and style. So come check us out anytime. We're open 7 days a week here.